All right, Mike. Hey, man, this is Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and tricks on how you can outrank your top competitor online. So when you type in air duct cleaning Denver, here's your front page of Google. You've got your Google ads, you've got your Google map pack right here, and then your top organic searched company is air duct cleaning Denver. So I'm going to compare your website and what's kind of going on in the background compared to their website right here and show you how that you can beat what they're doing to get you up to this front page of Google. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm making this video in the first place. And I realized a long time ago that there are a ton of small business owners out there that are so busy running their company and taking care of their customers, they just don't have the time or the know-how or resources to get this done and to make Google bring in clients for them. So, the only thing that's really stopping people from going out and hiring somebody to do this is they don't really know who truly is an expert and who is not. So what I started doing was just creating an attack plan to show small business owners and just giving them out for free. Some people take the info and they do it themselves, and other people call me back and they just say, hey, you know what, Brandon, I like you. I just don't have the time or the tools to do this myself. Can you do it for me? Whatever you decide to do with this information is okay with me. My only goal is that you get some value out of this and we can help you make some money. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google cares mostly about when ranking a website is content. So content is king in this industry, and the average website has 1,500 words on the homepage, okay? So that would be a good starting point for you. Get yourself to at least 1,500, if not 2,000 words on this homepage, okay? So I went ahead and I copied and pasted all your content into this word counter, and it shows you've got about 438 words on the front page. So I would start there, but what's more important than content is what is in the content, right? So we want to place what's called buyer intent keywords all throughout your site. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your product or service. Okay, so what I've done here is I pulled up Ahrefs, which is a paid tool. You can use free tools, but I typed in your domain here and it's showing me kind of the analytics and background stuff that's happening. So you guys currently have about 94 keywords in your website. So it's a good start and it's gaining traffic to your site. Now this number here can be drastically underreported sometimes from these websites. This could be anywhere from 3 to 5 to 10 times more per month than what this says, but it's all relative. And I'm going to show you your competitors' data as well. Okay, so what we need to do is figure out how many keywords you have and compare it to how many keywords this number 1 company on Google has. So Air Duct Specialists, they have 138 keywords to your 94. So you're not far behind them there. But as you can see, they're generating a lot more traffic right here than you guys are. And that could be a number of different things, but we're going to focus on keywords right now. So what I would do is go into their keywords, figure out which ones they are using that have buyer intent. So this has buyer intent, air duct cleaning Denver. If somebody types that in, they're probably looking to get the air ducts clean. Duct cleaning Denver, Denver duct cleaning, air duct cleaning Colorado. See, all of these are good keywords and they've got some good search volume here. The duct experts, that is not a good keyword because nobody, that could mean anything. People could be searching for job opportunities or whatnot. Furnace cleaning in Denver is a good one. Okay, so you just need to go through their list of keywords, figure out which ones have buyer intent, add them to your website, and add even more than they have, and that will help you get your keywords up and running. One thing you can do as well is save your photos on your website as keywords. So instead of this random thing right here, just put in various keywords in all of these photos, and that's a good way that you can get even more in there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk to you about are what we call backlinks. So a backlink is when another website links to yours, driving traffic to your website. So Google is like a giant popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to your website. So not all backlinks are created equal though. Quality is better than quantity. So you want these backlinks to be linking to trustworthy, relevant websites. So for example, you want other HVAC companies, other duct cleaning companies, other restoration, insurance companies, things, companies that are kind of in your same service sector or industry. You don't want to just link yourself to like a Pizza Hut or a T-Mobile website, for example, because Google knows that you're not in those industries. Okay, so you have 85 backlinks coming from 28 different websites, and your top competitor here has 1,000 backlinks coming from 114. So this is probably where they're beating you mostly, because their keywords are pretty close to yours, but they're getting 2 to 3 times more traffic than you. So what you need to do, again, they've done all the hard work for you. Figure out what backlinks they have and make sure they're, relevant and trustworthy, and go into these and just add yourself to these same websites and link yourself back. So you can click on these, and oftentimes you'll be able to, so this is Yellow Pages. Oftentimes you'll be able to create a link in here, see, and this is a backlink right here. So that's what you want to do, and just go through all of these one by one. And if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for you. You just got to get yourself in more relevant, trustworthy websites that link back to you. The next thing I want to talk to you about is how to get into this Google Map Pack. This is super important because when people type in businesses or services on their phone, this map pack pops up first, generally on a mobile device. So it's really important to be listed in here. And how you do this is you have to get more citations than other companies. So you need to figure out how many citations Action Air Duct has. And a citation is anywhere you can list your business name, phone number, and address into a directory, for example. So Yellow Pages, Yelp, Home Advisor, etc. If they have 200 citations, you need to get 250 or 300 so that you can beat them out. So if you can do those 3 things, get more content on your homepage, up to 1,500 words, and add more buyer intent keywords throughout your website, and then get more backlinks that are trustworthy and relevant than your top competitor, and then also get more citations than your top competitor in this Google Map Pack zone, you will be well on your way to dominating this first page. That's where we want to get you, is up here on this page. Okay, so if you have questions or feedback or concerns, please, I'd love to hear any feedback you have on this. I'm just hoping you got some value out of this, and you can take this information and run with it. Or if you think you might need help and you're trying to grow and scale and get yourself to the next level here in 2023, I would love to see if there's a chance we can work together on this and kind of go over your goals and what you're looking for. And if you're looking to make a change, I would love to help you do that. Okay, I appreciate your time and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.